Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play stereo love on flute. We'll start by identifying the key notes and their positions on the staff. Then, I'll guide you through the correct fingerings for each part of the melody, ensuring you get a clear sound. Focus on a steady breath and a relaxed embouchure to produce the best tone. This easy guide will have you playing the iconic tune in no time. Now let's break down the main melody. The core of stereo love on flute revolves around a few key notes, mainly C, D, E, and G. Pay close attention to the rhythm, which has a distinct syncopated feel. Try practicing slowly at first, ensuring each note is clear and in tune. Gradually increase your tempo as your fingers become more accustomed to the transitions. Repetition is key here. To truly bring stereo love to life on your flute, consider adding some expression. Experiment with subtle vibrato on longer notes to give them a richer quality. Think about the dynamics. You can play some sections a little softer and others with more intensity. Remember to keep your airstream steady and focused. A good performance isn't just about hitting the right notes, but also about conveying emotion. Consistent practice is crucial for mastering any piece. Aim for at least 15 minutes each day, focusing on challenging sections. Using a metronome will significantly improve your rhythmic precision and help you maintain a steady tempo. Remember to listen to the original song often to internalize its feel. Also, for other great deals and to check out those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, make sure to look at the links in the description below. Keep practicing and you'll sound amazing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.